unbelievable, but today is our last day in the Willemo section of Baviaanskloof. It's been really nice being here. We're going to go to Vero's restaurant for breakfast, and then we'll continue the rest of our day from there. So this was one of the cottage that we initially booked, or rather the cave, Overlanding at Makkedaat. Just walking down, just to show you guys how steep the incline is. You can't get up here definitely with a 2x4. You need a 4x4 to be able to get up. Check that gradient all the way down there. Jason is going to come up. Yes, that's the cave. You can go up. Oh. There's also a 4x4 track at Overlanding, which we probably will not be doing today. If there is time, we'll try it. If not, we wouldn't. But let's take a look at the cave. So before we get packing and heading back, we're just quickly going to show you Overlanding, which is one of the caves that we booked. We didn't end up staying at Overlanding mostly because it was quite cold, and we had a different cave that was a lot warmer but smaller without the views. It would really be cool to be in this cave in the warmer months when it gets a bit hotter, October, November, December. I suppose we could have made breakfast as well, but it's always nice, to support the local communities of the places that we visit. Most of the time these places are so remote, and it really does help to have an influx of people coming through from time to time. As much as we love visiting the places, it also helps the economy of the place. So what we try to do as much as we can is try to support whatever local initiatives there are within the places that we visit. So this is the cottage that we booked together with Overlanding Cave, which is up on that mountain over there. It's Martin's house. It's a cottage. There's a slip and slide. That's where for the kids into the lake.
I win.
Down there.
No, me win. Not you.
Yeah, it looks like the curtains for insects and stuff. That's actually really cool. You made it!
Yes. This is so beautiful.
Is it so beautiful?
Yeah, it's right at you.
Yeah.
Hi, Emmett.
So something came up last night for Jason, and so he needs to go back. I suppose I could have continued the rest of the trip by myself, but I think he would like to get to the Patensi side as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the trip slightly short, or maybe say have a part 2 of this Baviaanskloof trip, that is. We would rather come back in a couple months, and most likely during the time when it's warmer, and then take on the Patency section of Baviaanskloof. But so far it's been really good, and we definitely are looking forward to coming back to this place. This is a really, really amazing place. So we decided to just make a turn at Montague Pass. It's a pass that I haven't been on yet. Neither has Jason, so we thought we could just drive through that before we head home. I think it will be a good way to end this trip, or at least this leg of the trip. And yeah, we're definitely looking forward to coming back to this side of the world soon. I know a couple of people said to me that there's really nothing to do in Baviaanskloof, and I suppose that's true to an extent. But if you like the peace and quiet, stillness, and just being in nature, without necessarily anything happening, this is a great place to be. I've really enjoyed my time here, and I would actually encourage people that haven't been here yet to actually come and experience this place for themselves. This has been an amazing trip. It's been really awesome. I suppose for me personally, it's met most of my expectations. Jason had an absolute awesome time. He's going to be coming on more trips with us. This was actually his very first Overlanding trip. So yeah, I would say for the guys that haven't, and girls that haven't been out here, I think you should try and come and check out the place for yourselves. Yes, sometimes you might go on what other people say, and as I said before, it might not necessarily be everybody's cup of tea. You're not going to see necessarily any wildlife action and the likes. It's really an awesome place to be, and just for the peace and quietness and stillness. The mountains are breathtaking. Diversity of plants here is unbelievable. It's quite a good variety of birds as well if you're into birding. So definitely come down, check out Baviaanskloof. We will be back in the hotter months, closer to summer, and we will then tackle the Patency section of the Baviaanskloof.